Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the 3D bishops on chess problem. For that, in this problem, we have n cross n matrix, and there are n bishops placed on the matrix in a zigzag fashion at this position. For example, n equal to 4, these are the possible. So our task is to determine the minimum number of moves required to reach a position where each cell II contains exactly one bishop for all. Okay. For the above mentioned case, this will be the final position. Okay, so you can read other notes, and this is the input format. We have and the size of matrix. So let's understand how can we solve this problem. First, we can take the given example. This is the example. Okay, so how can we solve this? So like, what will be our task? Our task is like first we move this bishop to this position. Okay, so here is the empty position. Let me change the color to red. Okay, so first we reach to this position, this move. So this will be the empty position. Now we will move this bishop to this position. Okay, then what we will do? We will move this bishop to this position. Okay, so what will be the total number of moves? Here to here, one, two, or three. This is the answer. Okay. Now we have to understand how can we find the solution of this problem. Okay. If you can observe, just carefully watch the video, you will understand. I guarantee. So if you like, let's add one more. Hmm, maybe it. So it's fine. So we have yes, well, for the case of 5, here we'll have one, and this is the case of 6. Okay. Mm, So what we can do? We will start from here. We will directly take this and then place it here. Okay. Then we will take this, place here. Then we will take this to here. Then this location. Then we have come to this position. We will put this to this position. Then we will take this and it will be here. Okay. So everything is fine. Now let's see how can we get this solution. Let's understand the approach. For understanding, so like let's discuss the approach. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if it is 1 or 2, answer will be 0. If 3, answer will be 2. How to? One move this to this, then another this to this. Okay, fine. So let's discuss for bigger. If n is greater than 3. If n is greater than 3, then like if you can see, for every odd position we have to just a single move. We have to do a single move like this to this, this to this. So just a single move. For even position we have to like at least two moves we have to do. Like first this to this, then this to this. Like not in this case, like not for the smaller cases, for bigger cases like 6. For like let's consider the 4. So we have to move one here, then here. So this is the case. we have to think like this. So we need at least two moves for even positions. So initially, if n is greater than 3, then our answer will be 2. Then we will add in answer ny2 minus 1. Okay. Then if n is even, if n is even, so here what we add ny2 minus 1. We will add this quantity to answer. Then if n is even, then we will add in answer that ny2 minus 2 into 2. So this will be the addition. Let's say if n is odd. If n is odd, then what we will do? Then we will add in answer ny2 minus 1 into 2. So you are thinking like why in even case 2 and why in odd case just minus 1 subtraction? Because if n is even, then we have two numbers. Sorry, one number, 2. So we have to delete this number, then the last one also. Because for last, we have to make a single move only. That's why. Then we will consider only this position, fourth position. And for odd case, we have to delete only one position. That is 2. Rest all will be considered like 4 and 6. This is the case. Let's see example for 5 and 6, then you will understand better. So let's take n equal to 5. So what will be the n by 2? N by 2 will be 2. So initially answer is 2 because n is greater than 3. Then we will adding n by 2 minus 1. N by 2 minus 1 is 2 minus 1. So 1 will be the addition. And here n is odd. So if n is odd, then we will add n by 2 minus 1 cross 2. So n by 2 is 2 minus 1, 1, 1 cross 2. So final answer will be here 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Let's consider n equal to 6. Initially n is greater than 3. So answer will be 2. Then we will add n by 2 minus 1. N by 2 is 3 minus 1 plus 2. So 2 will be added. And here n is even. N is even, then we have to do n by 2, 3 minus 1, that means 2, 2 into 4. Okay, sorry, n is even here, so we have to minus 2, like subtract 2. So, like, what are the even ones? 2, 4, 6. So, these will be removed, and this will be remaining. So, 3 minus 1, sorry, minus 2, and then multiply by 2. So 1 into 2, 2. So answer will be 6. Hope you understand this video, like this video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.